Hello students, in this video we will discuss about numerical 1 on the electromagnetic wave. So let me start. Question is, in a lossless dielectric for which eta is equal to 60 pi and mu r is equal to 1 and magnetic field H is equal to minus 0.1 cos omega t minus z ax plus 0.5 sin omega t minus z ay ampere per meter. Calculate epsilon r, omega and E. So this is our question. So let me start. Eta is equal to 60 pi and it is equal to under root of mu by epsilon. So 60 pi, it is equal to under root of mu naught into mu r divided by epsilon naught into epsilon r, and it is equal to 60 pi and under root of mu naught by epsilon naught, it is 120 pi. We know it, under root of mu naught divided by epsilon naught, it is equal to 120 pi. So this value is here 120 pi under root of mu r by epsilon r. Mu r is 1. So when we will solve it, it is 60 by 120, it is equal to 1 root of 1 by epsilon r, and epsilon r is equal to 4. So this is our first answer for this question. Now beta is given here 1. Beta is given here 1. It is the coefficient of z here. It is the coefficient of z here. So beta is given here 1, which is equal to omega under root of mu epsilon. So 1 is equal to omega under root of mu naught into mu r, epsilon naught into epsilon r, and 1 by under root of mu naught into epsilon naught, it is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8. It is c, velocity of light in the free space. So 1 is equal to omega divided by 3 into 10 to the power 8 into under root of mu r into epsilon r. So 1 is equal to omega divided by 3 into 10 to the power 8 under root 1 into 4. And when we solve it, then omega is 3 by 2 into 10 to the power 8 radian per second. So this is our another answer. Now we have to calculate the value of electric field, and H is given, magnetic field is given. It is minus of 0.1 cos omega t minus z ax plus 0.5 sin omega t minus z ay ampere per meter. So let me calculate. We know first mod E by mod H, it is equal to mod eta. So for this component, mod H is given as 0.1. So mod E by 0.1, it is equal to 60 pi. So what is mod E? So mod E, when we will solve, then it will comes as 6 pi. So we will put here 6 pi. Similarly, for another component, mod E by 0.5, it is equal to 60 pi. So mod E will be equal to 30 pi. So for both the components, we calculated mod E. Now there is another rule that AE cross H, it means vector of electric field cross product with vector of magnetic field. It is equal to A beta. A beta is direction of propagation here. So what is direction of propagation of the wave? And it can be simply identified as plus Z. So wave is traveling in the plus Z direction, and electric field is in magnetic field is in X direction as it is given here. So we are putting here A. So it is minus of X because this minus sign is considered in the direction. So minus of X. So this will satisfy with AY. So here we will put 6 pi cos omega t minus z ay plus 30 pi sin omega t minus z. Similarly for this component, here AX will appear. So AX cross AY, it is equal to AZ. So here AX we will consider, right? So this is our answer for electric field. Thank you for watching the video.